Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a banner to your website in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add your banner on. This is my website. I want to add my banner on instead of in this text place. So I will delete this text. Now to add a banner, simply make sure you are in the Insert tab and click on Images. Click on Upload and let's upload my banner from my computer. Double click it and it will be inserted automatically for you. You can adjust the banner size like that. Of course, don't forget to don't forget to click on the Publish button, this one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Of course, don't forget to don't forget to click on the Publish button, this one. Click again on the same button and let's view my website live. And this is my new banner. As you see, if you want this one it does not use a link. If you want this banner to be clickable, simply select it like that, click on this link icon and then paste your link. For example, let's link to YouTube just as an example. Click on apply, publish again. Let's view published site. And now if I click on it, it sends me to the external link, which is YouTube in my case. And this is how to add a banner on your website in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.